This is Nathan. Nathan has an awesome alocasia. And here's Ray with her favorite plant baby. Both have a love of plants, and they always wanted to connect with like-minded people to nerd out and swap plants and cuttings. Little do they know, they don't just live in the same town, they live on the same street. But here's the thing, it's not just Nathan and Ray. This year has sprouted a love of plants in homes and gardens across the world, and while so many of us have grown closer to our plant babies, we've mostly been kept apart from our friends, neighbors, and communities. The green movement has been growing, but there hasn't been a great way for plant people to find each other. Until now, Blossm, the first plant swapping app that connects people through a shared love of plants. Open the community forum and meet your fellow plant people. Share some tips and care instructions. Ask for some plant ID help. Post a pic of your proudest plant baby. Check out the map and see fellow Blossmers in your neighborhood, your city, and even beyond. Click on a location and leaf marker and say hi to a plant buddy and see all the plants they have to swap. Let's say you have a big alocasia like Nathan. Go into the app and click on the camera icon button and upload it to Blossm. Give your plant a profile. Is it a full plant or clipping? Do you know the species? An indoor or an outdoor plant. Is it decorative or edible? You can add a quantity and provide a brief description. You can label it for swap or sell because we know everyone has to start somewhere, and you can even give some plants away for free. Do this for all your plants. And best of all, share the gift of plants with each other. On the home screen, see other people around you have other plants to share. If you see something you like, send them a chat and initiate a swap. Now you can stay in touch and update each other on your new plant babies. So, Nathan has an alocasia and Ray has a big monstera. With all their extra plant babies, now they can just swap. But it doesn't stop there. With Blossm, Nathan and Ray are going to make a lot more plant pals. Because Lauren has this magnificent maidenhair fern, and Caleb has this massive monstera, Eli has a super syngonium, and Nikki has a plethora of pothos, and now everyone can swap. When you connect with others to learn and grow your plant passion together, it's even more awesome.